Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time, my name is Masika Ifuru. Today I am here to do a very quick video to show you guys how I do my updated foundation routine for wearing a mask with my oily skin. I also wanted to share 5 of my top foundations for oily skin wearing a mask. So if you would like to see exactly what's going on here, please keep on watching. And the first step of every makeup application would always be skincare. You always have clean face and clean hands. After you cleanse your face, always moisturize and prime with whatever primer suits your skin. If you're a dry skin, you want to get a hydrating primer. Or if you're oily skin, you also want to get a hydrating primer, but more oil controlling primer. My choice is the Good Molecule moisturizing primer. I use this primer after I cleanse my face every day. Even if I'm not wearing makeup, I use this moisturizer. It's very moisturizing, but it's also good as a base, as a primer. It helps your makeup apply seamlessly. First, you would need either a brush, a foundation brush, or beauty sponges. You can choose whichever one you prefer. Today I'm gonna be using my Sephora Pro Foundation brush number 70. I'm gonna start off today with my concealer first, using my new HUDA Beauty Foundation Stick as my concealer. This foundation stick is waterproof, it's smudge proof, it's amazing. So I am gonna use this like under the eyes and any area I would conceal, and I'm gonna do my concealing first like I just mentioned. Another very important part of this makeup, staying on your face and applying seamless, is this Tarte Stay Spray. And this is a setting spray. This is a waterproof setting spray. This is a transfer resistant setting spray. I also use the HUDA Beauty setting spray, which this is also waterproof setting spray. This is for extra hold. Use this if I'm doing, I would say, like a full super coverage makeup for a long day. I would reach for the HUDA Beauty to do this method. However, today I don't feel like I'm gonna be wearing my makeup for that long, maybe just a few hours, so I am gonna be using the Tarte Stay Spray. If you had that one, you can also use that because it works just as great. And I would spray the brush with my setting spray, and then I would blend everything into the skin. And for my foundation today, shake all of your foundations before using them. Is very important. so many different ingredients in here. And this is the foundation that I'm using. That's what it looks like. I also did a full review and wear test of this foundation on my channel, and I'm gonna link it above. And I always use the same brush that I use to apply my foundation and concealer. Using my Becca Set and Refresh powder. Another big step of my makeup staying together is this Bite Beauty Change Maker Finishing Powder. And I purchased this in the shade Tan 2. Finishing powder is, I would always say, to bring all of your makeup together after the setting powder. This is also great for touch-ups if you're oily like I am. I love having this in my bag throughout the day just to do touch-ups when I have a long day and I have to wear my foundation for a long time. Really great to have. If you live somewhere where it's hot, or if it's summertime where you are, this is an amazing part of makeup. And after, I would just set everything with my Stay Spray. I will finish up with my eyes off camera and my lips, and I'll be back. Everything applied really beautiful. I'm not gonna be wearing any eyelashes today, as I usually don't wear eyelashes. I really have to be in the mood for them. And this was super easy to apply. If there's anything that was hard or you didn't understand about this video, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section, what's your routine What do you use to keep your foundation on your face for an entire day? Please leave me all of your details. I use my Jackie Aina palette, which is my favorite palette of all times. I am gonna show you my top 5 foundations for oily skin and wearing a mask and creating this smudge proof look. Like I showed you, I use the Huda Beauty as my concealer, and the Huda Beauty is also a smudge proof makeup. This is my absolute favorite foundation for right now, for oily skin, for long wearing makeup, for smudge proof makeup. It is super lightweight. Like I don't feel like I'm wearing anything on my skin, and I use both of these, so these are magnificent. I would absolutely recommend these two. This one more, if you're oily, I would recommend the NARS Soft Matte Foundation. And if you're a dry skin, I would say reach for the Huda Beauty, because the Huda does give like a natural finish and also a very beautiful natural luminous glow. So I would absolutely recommend this if you're dry skin, but this is for my oily girls like me, the NARS. And also, moving on along, this is the Decay Video Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation. And I also reviewed this on my channel. This is a super full coverage. It's super long wearing, and I also use the same technique that I've done with this foundation as well. So that's how I know that this also works really, really lovely. This is an absolutely great foundation for creating smudge proof and transfer resistant look. My Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and this Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, I also reviewed this on my channel. I've compared this foundation, and this is my favorite in all, as it is a super full coverage. It is a transfer resistant foundation, which is perfect for creating these looks where we have to wear a mask nowadays. And if you don't want your foundation rub off and stay on your face all day and not end up in the mask, I will highly recommend also the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Last but not least, I'm also gonna recommend one of my favorite foundations that I've tried out, and I also reviewed this on my channel. It is perfect for oily skin. It is super long wearing. It is also a waterproof foundation and transfer resistant. I did try the same technique with all 5 of these foundations, and it absolutely worked perfect for me. And that's why I'm here today to share how I do my new foundation routine. And I would love to hear at the bottom, how do you girls do your new foundation routine? Do you still wear foundation? Do you not wear foundation anymore? As when this pandemic started, I didn't wear foundation for a while. I'm not gonna lie, I just felt like, okay, we're gonna be wearing a mask, so I'm not gonna wear the foundation so it can rub off in the mask. But like I said, these and the technique where you use like a waterproof or transfer resistant setting spray to do the application, it keeps the foundation on your face. It lasts for a longer time, and for us oily girls, you know, we get oily, but this technique really helps control the oils really, really well. And as far as lips, I know I didn't wear any lipstick today, but usually I would pop on my Tarte Maracajona lip oil. I would also use my Marc Jacob Beauty lip oil, which is both really, really lovely and hydrating for the lips. If you wanted to wear a colored lipstick, I will absolutely recommend any shade that you love in the Too Faced matte liquid lipsticks, which they have a wide range of colors. They also have the Christmas Snuggle set, which I recently reviewed on this channel. They have lovely, lovely colors, and those lipsticks do not rub off in your mask at all. They stay on your mouth. Even if you eat, you drink, you wear a mask, and they stay on your mouth. So I would also love to recommend those lipsticks. If you were wondering like what lipstick is a good one, those are perfect. If you want me to do a video comparing different lipsticks and different lip products for wearing a mask, please leave me your comment in the comment section so I can know what you guys want me to do, as I do have so much products and I'm planning so much videos for you. I would also like to do videos that would be helpful to you as well. So if there's anything or any type of video that you would like me to do, or something that you don't understand about my video, you can always comment in the comment section to me. I mean, I love getting comments from you guys. I love reading and responding to your comments, and I love seeing when it's helpful. I really hope this all was helpful to at least someone. And if you are new to my channel, be sure to click my picture right here before you leave my channel. And I also have another video right here for you if you're planning to stick around a little bit longer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.